Hey, Big Lou, my teenage son spending too much time in the bathroom. Now, I know what he's doing in there, but my wife, she doesn't understand why the toilet's so wobbly. You got some suggestions?
Well, your kid's doing the bathroom? That's your business. Bolting a John to the floor? That's my business. Jiminy crickets, how many times do I have to go through that? Hey, it's Big Lou here. Listen, if you got 4 teenage boys like I do, good chances your toilet's gonna be rocking and rolling, but it's an easy fix. First of all, you need to make sure you take your groove joint pliers and you get it around that Johnny nut at the bottom there. There's one on each side. So you just tighten it down and secure it. Now you may have to do it once a week like I do. And don't think I don't know what's going on in here, huh? You guys sitting here, please. Another tip from Big Lou. Now Scoop, get out of here. You know, it would be nice if your aim was a little bit better too. Joey, I'm talking to you.